Good afternoon, dear students. This is the first lecture, and I hope you all are fine in your home. I'm your information technology teacher for the session 2021. Some of you might be knowing me as you have earlier learned from me. I was earlier also your information technology teacher. Now, let me give you some information regarding the books which we are going to use. The book which we are going to use here is IT Planet and the publisher is PMP Publisher. I will attach the book's chapter 1 for your better knowledge, and the chapter which we are going to start is computer software. Here what we are going to learn about the software, basically the types of or different types of software. Okay, and their categorization. Their categorization. And the topics which we are going to cover here is about software. We are going to learn about the software which are available in the variety of forms and the categorization of the software, which we can simply do into two categories, which we have to cover in our topics, that is system software and application software. They could be further divided, system and application software. We will learn about it them later on. Now we are going also to learn about the software suite. What is a software suite? As you are able to depict, as you are able to understand, suite means something that is a collection. Okay, now we are going to learn about, or we are also going to learn about the register and or activate the software. Register karna software ko, when we used to purchase the software, we have to register it with the company from whom we have purchased it out. Maybe you all have listened to the shopkeepers of the system that you have to get your antivirus register to get daily updates. Okay, now coming over to the next slide, let us learn about software. तो basically software के बारे में learn करने से पहले what we have to learn about the computer. You all are aware computer क्या होता है. Computer is an electronic machine that must be instructed. Instructed मतलब computer is not going to do work on its own. You have to give it the instruction to get your work done. Okay, you have to instruct it. If you want to open a file, you have to use mouse and double tap over that file to get it opened. Okay, it cannot do anything on its own. Now about software, what is the software? Software is also called a program that consists of series of related instruction. Software contains series of instruction. What we used to do, what we used to basically do, we used to give instructions. Software also does the same thing for us. Okay, in an organized for a common purpose, and tells the computer what the tasks are to be performed and how to perform. What it does, it saves our working. Basically we have to just open that particular software. It tells the computer what tasks are to be performed, क्या task perform करनी है और किस तरीके से, how they have to perform it out. As we were talking about the user interface, nowadays software have a graphical user interface. What do you mean by graphical user interface? As you are able to see in the slide, you are graphically able to see the icons of the particular program which you want to open. इसमें काफ़ी सारे icons हैं, likewise Google Map, okay, Ubuntu, Apple, and MS Office, MS Excel, MS Word, Mozilla Firefox, PayPal. There are various icons you can see. Okay, this is known as graphical interface. Graphically we are able to see the icon and do the working. Previously ऐसा नहीं होता था. We used to work over the CLI, that is command line interface. We are going to discuss about it also. Now let us discuss about the different forms in which the softwares are available. Different formats क्या होते हैं जिसमें software available होते हैं. First है package software. What do you mean by package? You are able to understand. Package मतलब a closed box, you could say. Package software, a copyrighted software that is available in the computer store, is known as package software. Likewise MS Excel, MS Office, it is a package software because it contains number of software within itself. It contains MS Office, MS Excel, MS Word, MS Paint, and various other pack softwares within it inside. Now regarding the custom software basically are those software for which we used to approach to a developer. Who is a developer? Developer is a person who used to develop or make a software. Basically if we want any software according to our need, we need to approach to a developer who used to make programs. That is known as a custom software. It is being designed according to your need. Now web application, a web application is a software application that runs over the remote server. Remote server मतलब होता है basically you are working or you are opening the app over someone else computer. As you are using nowadays Google Drive, so Google Drive में what you are doing, you are accessing that video or that audio file which your teachers are uploading over the remote server. It's not over your computer. You are using a web application which help you to view or listen those files. Now mobile applications. Mobile applications क्या होती हैं? An application that you download from the app store of the mobile device are known as mobile applications basically, or other location on the internet to a smartphone or the mobile device. Some mobile application are pre-installed. Likewise, Google apps are pre-installed on every Android system because Android is powered by Google, and most of the app of Google which are made by Google are already available or pre-installed on the Android system. So these are known as mobile applications.